Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to open a Robinhood Spending account. If you don't have a Robinhood account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a free stock. To start, open the website, then click on Login. Next, enter your email and password. Then, click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper right of the page. Click on Spending. Here you can start the process of opening your Robinhood Spending account. Click on the Get Started button. Next, you will then be asked if you would like to have a physical Robinhood cash card or just a virtual card. Click on the option you wish to select. Then, click on the Continue button. On this page, confirm your residential address. Also, make sure that your residential address is up to date. If you wish to add a new address, click on Enter a new address and provide the residential address you wish to use. Then, click on the Continue button. Now, select your existing mailing address or you can enter a new one. Then, click on the Continue button. Next, review the agreements. If you click on the Review button, it will automatically scroll down. Then, click on the Agree and Accept button. Now, review the prepaid card agreement. If you click on the Review button, it will automatically scroll down. Then, click on the Agree and Accept button. And that's it. Your application is under review. You will then receive an update once your Robinhood Spending account is approved. That's how you open a Robinhood Spending account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.